I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. And when I saw this, I was watching a YouTube video and I noticed it was a German lady or Russian lady, and she had a whole trash can filled up with different sized plastic bottles filled with her grains and her rices and her beans. And I thought that was perfect, because then the more I thought about it, yeah, that's right. Because if this, a tornado hits the house and or something like that happens where you've got to get out fast, you're not going to want to tote big heavy bins of rice. You're not going to want to tote something, and you don't want a cloth bag or just a little plastic bag that maybe a branch could cut through. These are durable enough that they can pretty much withstand anything, and they can roll if the wind blows them. So it's pretty likely that these bottles, especially the little ones, the little ones and the big ones, these bottles will survive almost anything. And if they survive, they've got food for you to survive. So I think that is beautiful. I just wanted to show you using the littler bottle, and how, of course, I'm just putting it down in my bowl. And this way, if you spill a little bit, it doesn't matter, because it goes right in that bowl and you can pour it back. Let's see. And there's that. Now I'm just going to show you how much bay leaf. I'm just going to take one leaf, and I'm just going to rip it. I'm just going to take just a little bit of it, put it in the top, and here's your lid. And I was just telling Daniel another thing is these little straws, you can actually pinch the ends to get it, make different sizes, cut different sizes off your straws, pinch the ends together and burn them. And they contain, you can put in them spices. And then you could put this little spice bottle in your, this little bay leaf bottle that you've emptied, full of these little straws, and you could have salt and pepper, cayenne powder, you could have chili powder, you could have all different spices in these little jars, and just get different colored straws or write on them different things, and so you know what you've got in your little spices, and you take those along with you with a couple of these. And I don't know, maybe even if you're a traveler, it's great to have a little crock pot in the back of the car on a converter, and make you a chili up, or a rice bag with a little bit of chicken. Hey, you're good to go. And it just makes a big difference. And now I had someone say too that they had the situation with big containers, much larger than these, that they had put them down in the basement and had a flood, and somehow the moisture got into the container and it ruined their whole supply. So when you have the little bottles, you're a lot less likely to have your supply ruined that way. And so these are my prepping ideas for today. And as you can see, I've got a lot stored up, and I'm just going to put it in this blue bin right here, and we're going to put it away. By the way, thank you so much for viewing with me and for being here with me today. And I hope that our videos add value to your lives, and that we can meet, I hope sometime we can meet all of you and just have a great friendship.